Hey YouTubers, so today I'm going to be unboxing a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, which is their fan edition. I actually have two of these here, two colors here. One's going to be the cloud blue and the other is the cloud lavender. I'm actually not sure which has which in it. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got. Okay, I'm guessing this one must be the lavender. This one's probably the cloud blue. So let's go ahead and open this one and see what all comes in the box. Yep, here it is, the lavender. It actually looks more pink to me. Instead of the shiny glass finish that's usually on it, this appears to be more of a matte finish. No reflection on it like the other ones. So that's pretty nice. I guess they changed it up a little. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, here's the SIM card. Got your charger. Got your USB cable. Let's see, maybe it's up here. Normally it comes with a tool to be able to remove. Okay, yep. In order to remove the case for the SIM card, yep, there it is, your removal tool, and a little documents inside of here. Okay, as you can see here in the very top, this is where your SIM card and your micro SD slot would go. You go off to the side, you got your volume rocker, you got your power button here, or which I'm guessing may actually be your Bixby button, which you can change to go to your power button, but lately they've been defaulting your power button to activate Bixby instead. On the bottom, here's one of your speakers, your USB-C port, and there's nothing on the left-hand side. Right here in the front, you've got your selfie camera, which is a 32 megapixel camera. And on the rear here, we've got three cameras. One is a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then the middle one is going to be a 12 megapixel wide angle. And then the bottom one here is going to be an 8 megapixel telephoto camera. The camera has a 3x optical zoom and up to a 30x super resolution zoom, which is basically a digital zoom. The camera has night mode, single take mode, where it will take about 15 seconds worth of shooting, and when it's done, the phone will process it and it will return a variety of different photos and videos, which you can find in the gallery. The rear camera can record at up to 6K at 60 frames per second. The front camera can record up to 4K at 60 frames per second. We've got here a 6.5 inch FDH screen with the Infinity O display, and this is a 1080 by 2400 resolution at 120 Hertz refresh rate, and it comes with, or rather it's built in with a 4500 milliamp hour battery. This version has, or actually I think they all are, this has 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage space with the option of inserting a micro SD card, which would go again right here, and the micro SD card can handle up to 1 terabyte. Powered on, you just go ahead and hold the button here. This one also does have the fingerprint sensor, which would probably be around right here. It's going to be the in-screen one, and this is the T-Mobile version. I said this is the lavender. So let's take a look at what the cloud blue looks like. Okay, and here is the cloud blue. So the shininess of it is actually the protective screen, because this one is also a matte color, which I think is actually pretty nice on here too. So the matte colors look really nice. If you like the glossy style, well, this probably isn't the phone for you, but if you like it in matte, it actually looks really nice. I'm liking it. You can see how the blue kind of changes color depending on the light that reaches it. The purple kind of does too a little bit. But it's a nice smooth, it's not slick like you would find the other ones. The Note and the S20 is, how shiny and slick it is. This one's kind of smooth, a little bit rough, so it may not slide so easily on surfaces when you set it down. And then here, this is going to be just your typical setup, which you'll find on any other Samsung phone and as well as their tablets. This is a 5G version, the 5G model, which all of them probably are the 5Gs by now. And so this was the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition. And this was the cloud purple, and this is the cloud blue version. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe I'll do a little bit more lengthier video of this later on, but the rest of it's going to be pretty standard. Maybe I'll go into something else later on. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there.